This stew ruined my life because now every time I eat rice without it, I feel like I'm cheating on my faithful husband. Just look at it. Rich, shiny and bubbling like it owns the kitchen. And the worst part, I can't even stop making it. Hi faves, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me show you how it all started. It started with this hot oil I added to the pot. I let it heat up a little and then I added some onions to it and I stirred that to fry. Today I'm doing something different. I decided to add my herbs to the oil. This made the kitchen smell so amazing because the whole flavor from the herbs infused into the oil. Next goes my tomato paste. I fry this gently and on low heat until the sour taste disappears. This sticks to the pot, so you need to stir it at every point in time to avoid it sticking, and even if it does, it is completely okay. And then our pepper mix, my jollof base bestie. This is the same pepper mix from our jollof base. I'll be dropping the link to the jollof base video so you can watch it and learn how I made this and the ingredients I used for it. Now you want to keep stirring this for it to combine and fry very well. It's going to fry until the oil starts floating on top. That is when you know that it is ready. Now time for the seasoning. I seasoned this with just seasoning cubes. I didn't add salt because the meat stock already contains salt and our jollof base is also seasoned. So I try not to overdo it. So always season to your tastes. And finally, I add my pre-cooked proteins and the meat stock. For this particular stew, I used some beef and some goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice, but for this one, I wanted a different kind of vibe. This step is completely optional. I wanted to adjust the taste, so I added some extra pepper and salt to this. I added some water to this because I wanted my stew to be runny. But if you want it to be thick, you can skip this step. But for me, I was going for buka style vibe. So I went in with water so that the stew will be runny. So you can see how it is. This is what I was going for. And there you have it. Your authentic Nigerian stew is ready. I paired this stew with rice. What would you be pairing yours with? Let me know in the comments and hit like if you're ready to ruin your life with this stew. Of course, in the best way possible. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.